Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The simplest thing to do is to start with about a cup of mayonnaise, then stir in a portion of your add-in. The amount will vary, from a quarter teaspoon or so of cayenne to a half cup or so of chopped herbs. Then taste and adjust. Once you have a formula you like, stick with it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Many people say that classic mayo goes with everything, but you can have different mayo flavors for different foods. Burger mayo is best for burgers and also goes well with salads. Spicier mayo goes best with Indian food.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hellmann's Best All-Purpose Mayo. Hellmann's combines all of what we want from mayonnaise in a single jar. It's thick but spreadable, tangy but not too overpowering. Overall, our test kitchen tasters found Hellmann's to be a great go-to for many applications.
Take our lead.
Our mayonnaise is made especially for us by our approved suppliers, according to our own specifications. The main ingredients are egg yolk, mustard flour, salt, vinegar and sugar. It is McDonald's branded. While you can't buy it from the supermarket, you can always enjoy it on our delicious burgers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.